The following video describes how to perform a factory reset on a CB460 control box. It also describes how to erase files that did not get deleted by this reset. Please note that these instructions are also valid for a CB450. To hard reset the CB460, press and hold the following keys: plus, minus, F6 while powering the box on. The reset sets the CB back to its defaults and clears the app settings in detail. Saved machine and display files will remain. Unsaved machine settings will be lost. Option keys will remain. Designs and data will remain. It is advisable to save any machine file and back up the CB460 before performing this reset. From time to time, you may wish to remove the map and tag files from the control box because map files, which store the mapping information, can grow very large. And tag files are small, but since they contain only 5 minutes of data, their number can grow very large. To remove the map files, there's just one way. Insert a USB stick in manager mode and click on Advanced, select Backup Control Box. This will create a backup on the USB stick. Then select Erase the control box. After that, remove the USB stick from the box and insert it into a PC. There, remove the backup folders. Then insert the USB stick back into the CB460 and restore the control box. The control box may accumulate a very large number of tag files. However, this depends on some factors. The rules are: when the tag files are wirelessly synced to TCC, then they will actually be moved there, which means they disappear from the control box storage. If you insert a USB stick and select to USB, then the rules are: if two-way data communication to TCC is enabled in the machine setup, then tag files which did not sync to TCC, for example, when there was no internet connection, will be copied to the USB stick and remain on the control box. If two-way data communication to TCC is not enabled and you select copy to USB, then the tag files will be moved to the USB stick. To delete remaining tag files, simply insert a USB stick, select Advanced as shown on the screen snap, and then select Erase Control Box. After selecting Erase Control Box, a warning will pop up saying that all designs, setting files, and production data, which means tag files, will be erased. Therefore, it might be a good idea to back up the control box before erasing it. And this concludes this short video. Thank you.